Hello dear children. So today we are going to begin with our new chapter, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. I hope you remember what are expressions, but still I want to discuss once. So discussing with the beginning, what are expressions? Expressions is the combination of terms by adding or subtracting. Combination of terms by adding or subtracting, or otherwise I can tell you how terms are formed. Terms are the combination of variables and constants. Variables doesn't have any fixed value, constants always have fixed value, and term is the combination of both variables and constants. And when a term, like these are the terms over here, when term is combined by using positive and negative sign, that is called an expression. That is called an expression. So those expressions we are going to do today. We are going to operate with the expressions add, subtract, multiply. The basic terms about the expression first: terms, factors and coefficients. Terms, as we have already discussed, the terms are the combination of variables and constants, and when terms are added or subtracted, then we got an expression. So expression means, so अगर हमें एक्सप्रेशन में से टर्म्स अलग करनी है, इट मीन्स ऑल द टर्म्स शुड बी सेपरेटेड, और यू कैन प्लेस अ कॉमा साइन और अदरवाइज ऑल्सो. Coefficients are the constants in each term. If you people are set only coefficients, it means those are the constants in each term. We call them as numerical coefficients also. For example, this is an expression here, 7xy minus 5x. It has two terms, 7xy and minus 5x. The negative sign will go with the term. And then it has the factors, जो भी product होगा 7x and y. And out of this, the numerical coefficient is 7. Fine. Then we have monomial, binomial and polynomials. Monomial is always having one term in it, expression with one term. Binomial expression with two terms. And trinomial expression with three terms, and polynomial will be having non-negative integers as exponents. Means every power is a positive. कोई भी ऐसे algebraic expression जिसकी power positive है, that is called a polynomial. So now beginning with our exercise. First question is to identify terms, coefficients. Second question is telling monomial, binomial and trinomial. This question people will do in book with the help of pencil. You can write upon each expression which it is monomial, binomial or trinomial, that we have discussed now only. Then you need to add the given expressions and then you need to subtract. Some of the parts I am solving in the video, some you people will practice yourself. As if in the first question, expression is given, then you need to identify term and coefficients. So in what way I have done over here expression, then I have written terms in different lines. First term 5xy z square, second term minus will come with this, so minus 3zy, and coefficients are 5 and minus 3. Negative sign will come with the coefficient always. Similarly 1x and x square, so 1 is a constant term, no coefficient, so x coefficient is 1, x square is 1, because there was nothing written with them, so it is 1. Then these are again the three terms over here. Three terms are separated and out of those coefficients are written differently. Second question, as we have discussed, monomial with one term, binomial two term, trinomial three terms. So you need to write down on the expression by looking at them. How many terms do they have? Third question is the addition of the expressions. As if you people are given expressions over here, comma is given. It means you have this first expression, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So you can add them by putting in the bracket. I've used brackets to add them, plus and plus. Whenever we have a positive sign and we multiply it with any number, it will not change the number. So we have opened the brackets, AB as it is, minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. What do we see? The terms are equal over here. एक जैसे terms हैं, coefficient भी same है, powers भी same है. Like minus BC plus BC. If we write here minus 5 plus 5, so it means 0 because both the terms are equal. Similarly in algebra also we can do when those are equal. Minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA and AB minus AB, so it's 0. Similarly we are going to add another one. Second people can solve. Third I am solving here. It's first expression plus second, as it was a positive sum, so nothing is going to change over here, all are the same. Now we need to look for the like terms, p square q square, p square q square, and you need to solve their coefficients. It is 2, you can write down in bracket 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so minus 1 p square q square. Then pq and pq are like terms, so it is minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4, and the constant numbers plus 4 plus 5 is plus 9. You need to use integers while solving them. Similarly, we are going to do question number 4, but there is a little change because we need to subtract. So whenever there is a negative sign in front of the bracket, it's all signs will change. Subtraction, subtraction and subtraction. I'm going to solve two parts. First bracket minus second bracket. Whenever there is a negative sign, it's all signs will change. Minus, this is a plus 4a, it will be minus. It is minus 7ab plus 7ab, because minus will multiply with their signs. Minus plus minus, minus minus plus, minus plus again minus, minus plus again minus. And now in the same procedure, you need to look for the time like terms, combine their coefficients and write down your answers. Like 12a and 4a. 12 minus 4 is 8. Minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. Similarly, you are going to do next part. Negative sign is there, all the signs will change, and then you need to look for the like terms and write down your answer. This was the exercise 9.1. 9.2 is having a single concept, so that's why I'm just explaining over here. Will take only 2 minutes more. Exercise 9.2 is finding the product of monomials everywhere or expressions. Monomials are there more, like product of these two. Then area, length, breadth, length, breadth, length, breadth, length, breadth, and length, breadth is given. So area is always L into B. Everywhere is the product. Here you need to complete the table. I'll tell how. Here also volume. Volume means L into B into H, again multiplying all, and here also the product of all. So how to solve all these is multiplying the given expression, given monomials, then finding the area again by multiplying. And how to multiply, I'll tell you. You need to multiply coefficient with coefficient, and you need to see whether there are same variables or not. If there are same variables, you will add their powers, otherwise you will write along with. फिर आप सारे इकट्ठे ऐसे ही लिख दोगे अगर सेम नहीं है. Like here P1 and P1 was same, so it becomes P2. Minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. 4 into minus 3 minus 12, P3 P. So 3 plus 1 is P4. Suppose here variables are different, x square and y square. So 25 is 100, x square will also be there and y square will also be there. Fine. In this way only you will solve the other products like I have solved over here. And similarly you will find the volume. There you have to multiply all the three monomials also here. 3 में आपको तीनों के कोफिशिएंट मल्टीप्लाई करके फिर तीनों के वेरिएबल्स चेक करने हैं, अलग हैं या सेम है. सेम है तो ऐड ऑन देयर पावर्स, इफ दोज आर डिफरेंट देन राइट डाउन ऑल ऑफ देम. डिफरेंट में से भी अगर कोई सेम है तो आप उसकी पावर्स ऐड करोगे. लाइक हियर x with x, 1 plus 1 is 2, y and y, 1 plus 1 is 2, z and z, 1 plus 1 is 2. This way. Fine. And now that the table was left, what you need to do, it is given first monomial, second monomial. What you need to do, आपको कॉलम में चेक करना है कि कौन सा पार्ट आ रहा है. Like if I have to write over here, I will take 2x from here and minus 5y from here. Multiply these two and write down here. Means in the first column you need to multiply with 2x with all the values. In second minus 5y multiply. 3x square सबसे multiply कर दो. Minus 4xy multiply करो सबसे. Take 1 from here and multiply it with each and write down here. Then take 3x square, multiply with this right here. Multiply with this right here. Multiply with this right here. In this way you have to complete your table. All is based on the product. You can complete it here only with the pencil. Okay, so do the work in your notebooks. And if there is any confusion, you can ask. Thank you.